Hey there, Python enthusiasts! Welcome back to the 100 Days of Python series. Today is day 13, and we're continuing our deep dive into object-oriented programming, or OOP for short. In this video, we'll cover polymorphism and method overriding, encapsulation and access modifiers, and designing effective class hierarchies. Ready to elevate your Python skills even further? Let's get started. Let's start with polymorphism and method overriding. Polymorphism allows objects of different classes to be treated as objects of a common superclass. It's a key concept in OOP that promotes flexibility and reusability. Here's an example of polymorphism and method overriding. In this example, both dog and cat classes override the speak method from the animal class. The animal_speak function demonstrates polymorphism by calling the speak method on different objects, producing different outputs based on the object type. Next up, we have encapsulation and access modifiers. Encapsulation is the concept of bundling data and methods that operate on that data within a single unit or class. Access modifiers control the visibility of class attributes and methods. Here's how you can use encapsulation and access modifiers. In this example, make is a public attribute, model is a protected attribute, and year is a private attribute. The setYear and getYear methods demonstrate how to access and modify the private attribute. Finally, let's discuss designing effective class hierarchies. A well-designed class hierarchy can make your code more organized, reusable, and easier to maintain. Here's an example of a class hierarchy. In this example, we have a base class vehicle and two derived classes, car and motorcycle. Each derived class inherits attributes and methods from the base class while also defining its own unique attributes and methods. This creates a clear and maintainable class hierarchy. And there you have it, folks, an introduction to polymorphism and method overriding, encapsulation and access modifiers, and designing effective class hierarchies. Keep practicing these concepts, and you'll become an OOP pro in no time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more awesome Python content. See you tomorrow for day 14. Keep coding.